I'm just going to use a random distance, which is actually 4000 millimeters. Click on enter. You can also come here, go to the options, project preference, working units, to check which units that you can actually use. I'm actually using millimeters for my drawing. This is actually ArchiCAD default drawing. This is default for our drawing, which is only millimeters. I'm actually cool with that. Okay. And for the dimension of a drawing, you can come here to project preference, click on dimension, and you can change it to plain millimeters or any other thing you want to use. You can use meters and all this other stuff here. Click on OK. So when that is done, you can just mess around with the drawing. Okay. Then I'm just gonna drag this up. I'm just gonna drag this. Sorry, that was a mistake. Just make sure that I don't make that kind of mistake. In case you don't want to make that kind of mistake, you can hold down shift on your keyboard. As you can see, if I'm actually making a kind of a weird line like this, if I hold down shift, it actually corrects me. Okay, then I click and you should have the straight line. Okay, now I want to get this other wall here. I'm just going to go to the wall, click on the wall tool, go here, just hold down, just put your mouse here, drag it like this. You should see this dotted bluish kind of line, and you can drag it out, and it's actually going to ask you for a distance, which you can give your distance to be, let me say 36, and once you are done, click enter on your keyboard, drag it down. Okay, and you can come and do the same thing for the rest of your drawing. Now I actually want to extend this line up, so I'm going to click on this wall here, click on that node. That black thing there is actually called a node. You can click on it, drag it up. Okay, and hold down Alt to select this wall tool, and come here and just I'm just going to continue sketching out my plan. So now I'm actually done with this. I'm just going to cut this part out. So what I want to cut now, I'm going to hold down Control on my keyboard. When I hold down Control, I'm going to hold down Control, and I'm going to select on the walls I don't need. Okay, I don't need these two, so I'm just going to extend this and just continue working. So let me just show you guys something. There's something that you guys need to know when you guys are drawing ArchiCAD. Once I click on this node now I want it to be a wall here, so I'm just going to hold down on this. Sorry, not hold down, I'm actually making a mistake, but just hover on this and drag it down like this. Okay, and I'm going to write let me say 25 and click enter. And once I want to drag now, as you can see, it's not actually giving me what I want. So what I told you guys earlier on, you can come here and change it to be inside.